Alright, so next we are going to talk about the drawbacks of eddy current. Okay, so one thing you have to note that while passing the eddy current or while having the eddy current, so there will be like huge amount of heat energy loss. So you know that whenever there is an electric current through that, you know that I square RT amount of heat will be equal to I square into R into T amount of heat will produce it, right, with the conductor. So in eddy current, this value will be much more. So it is inevitable. We cannot avoid this. Whenever there is eddy current, there will be heat amount dissipation. Okay, heat energy dissipation. But we cannot do anything on that. I mean, we cannot completely avoid that. It is inevitable. But the thing is, we can reduce it. When we have energy loss, what we will do? We will make up it or we will reduce it. We will try to reduce it. Okay, so that is the first thing I would like to tell you. That is, what are the methods which by which we can reduce the eddy current loss? We can call it as eddy current loss. Okay, so what are those? So let's talk about that. First one you have to understand, that is when you take the armature coil, the transformer coil, like you have to take the different laminas. Okay, different laminas. I would like to give the picture here. So you can take those laminas and you can connect with them, and we should not take a single coil, a single piece of coil. So those laminas we will arrange them by using some insulation. Okay, then what will happen? So those insulation will not pass much amount of eddy current through that. Okay, so we can reduce the eddy current loss, eddy current energy, the heat dissipation. Okay, so that is the one method, and you that in the textbook another picture is given. I would like to give it here. So that is the insulation part. You must have seen whenever you check a AC motor, then you would see that those armature coil that is made up of made with some insulation. So that insulation will not allow more eddy current passing, more eddy current loss. So that is what is biggest drawback, and then the solution for that. So to some extent we can reduce it, but we cannot avoid it completely. I think you got it. Okay, thank you.